Ever wondered how to find and manage processes in Linux or Unix? Whether you're debugging, monitoring, or just curious, knowing what's running on your system is a must. Use the PSAUX command to list all running processes. It's like a snapshot of everything your system is doing: memory usage, user, CPU, and more all at once. Think of it as your system's live scoreboard. Here's the output. It shows the user, process ID, how much CPU and memory it's using, and what command is running. For example, init is the first process, and python3app.py is a user-run application. Now combine it with grep to search for a specific process, like Apache, SSH, or Python. This combo helps you zero in on what matters in seconds. In this output, we found an Apache 2 process running under the www.data user. Notice how grep Apache also shows up? That's just the command we ran. You can ignore that. You don't have to scroll endlessly. Let grep bring the result to you. Run psef to list all processes in a full format view. Then use grep sshd to quickly find if the SSH daemon is running. Useful when checking remote access or troubleshooting login issues. It's fast, focused, and works exactly the same on both Linux and Unix. Let's break this down. The first line shows the actual SSHD service, running under the root user with PID 1122. That's our target process. The second line? That's just the grep command showing itself. Don't worry, it's not an extra process, just part of the search. Now that we've found the process ID, 1122, it's time to take action. Just type kill 1122, and boom, the process is gone. Quick, simple, and effective. Process terminated, mission complete. Thanks for watching. Try it out, share it, and stay tuned for more. See you in the next one.